Welcome to day 23. I hope you are safe and doing well. So we are just near to our sixth flat line, that is 30 days. So we are just 6 days away from 30 days. So I hope we will combat and achieve this milestone. So today we are going to discuss a very powerful technique, or you can say the psychology, or how to use your internet, or the thing is just started from the internet, isn't it? So the most of part which we get into the addiction due to the internet or availability of the fast internet, and everywhere it's available, and whatever the legal, illegal, or uh, websites are blocked or something, but still no, there is a way to access. So that's why we are just get the hooked up. So let's see how can we get avoid from hooking up from these all the stuff, and how can we take care of, so that we can achieve the challenge and we are not getting the urgent trigger. So this is also a kind of trigger part, so you can see as the series of this sequence and urge part. So let's start. So we have already discussed about the how location based trigger leading to the urge. Then we also looked time based, emotional based. So how the emotion means by attaching with some work or with some situation, we do the work, or like our psychological things. And then we also see the how the preceding things, whatever the things we are doing right now, and then lead to the some trigger and urge. So what we are going to discuss here, related the internet stuff, is how can you use, or not, the things which through which you can use your internet wisely to be productive, or to be the stick to the note where you want to, or what you through what, or for what you came to the internet to search something. So don't scatter and just go somewhere. So first one is your safe search. So install safe search. So what does it mean? Means there is a no, for every browser or for every search engine there is a facility to safe search. Means there any kind of insecure, porn related, or which are not legal. So they are no category. So they are not showing. And so if you are install safe search, then no, it's a, like filtered content, or you are not getting any kind of the uh, no, related stuff. So it will very useful, like whenever you are searching simple thing, then it will containing all the things, and that kind of stuff means related, its ranking is so high, and you will first see on the first page. So obviously you will get into the direct attraction and just jump into there. So see in this screen, you just search porn, and if you have installed safe search, then it will not going to show any kind of result. So it will show there is a explicit result. So it will not show. So how you can install? So you simply search to the Google, or yeah, follow the just go to the Google and setting and turn on the safe search. So it will really going to help you a lot. Apart from this, you can go through this link. So what you can do, the another way to porn blocker. So there are so many extension like paid version as well, or some advanced filter or blocker, so by which they will block, means no, there is no chance to get any kind of explicit or porn related website or such queries. So you just install this, it will going to help a lot. So there are some list of our porn blockers, so you can also install. And porn blocker X is very famous, or it's associated with the Chrome, so you can install as a extension as well. So another thing, you can do the parent control. You can everywhere you just enable the parent control, or whatever the things which is avoiding to or leading the explicit content. So you just enable the parent control, so you will get not access to that kind of stuff, and it's really going to help you. So you just search through the Google, and anywhere like Play Store, or from anywhere or any kind of place where you can search something. So you just enable that thing, and it will really going to help you. Even you can do for the YouTube as well. Another one is filter. Means you have to install so many filters. Means through going to your settings to your browser or search engine, just go to the search engine or privacy and security, and there you can see different sections. So you just go to the site setting, and now whatever the things you don't want to allow to your browser, so you just disable that thing. So that will really going to help you. So another thing, you can do the third party cookies. So any websites or particular thing you don't want to get pop-up or any notifications, so you just block them. Or you also block pop-ups and redirects. Means there are so many simple links that is redirected to some another link. Means that link will be open even you just enable the safe set, but that will redirect to some another website which leading to explicit content or porn related stuff. So you just block them, and it will really going to help you. Another one is close the window. What does it mean? Means the any window, means through where you just spend the time or browse. So you just close that thing. So how you can? So first one is having any online presence over the internet, or through some browser or some website. So whenever you have signed in, so you just log out from there and delete that account. So any online presence, like any kind of pornography website or somewhere, so just delete that thing. cancel the subscription. If you have like a recurring subscription, you are paying the money, so you just cancel and get out of from there. That will really going to help you. Like if you have a subscription, so they giving you the like uh, toffee, like so now always you just get into the hooked up and being in the customer of that. So you just cancel any subscription if you have paying right now. Install some filtering software, some other software is also available, so that will help you to avoid that kind of website or a content. Close the window means whenever you are using like incognito mode, so you just try to avoid the this. And if you like don't want to like appear your cookies or browse histories, then you can use. But particularly when you are seeing leading like instant gratification, like this is leading to searching on into the incognito, so just try to close and get out of from there. Install some filter, install some ad blocker as well. And any kind of like a pop-up or any kind of website or any kind of things you are getting automatically or like without any reason, so you just report as a spam or no, report as a inappropriate. So that will going to help you. Like it works on the algorithm. When you are don't allow and you just click, then they will show again. So if you are watching that, so they will show again. So that will also lead to the finally that kind of website. So you just report as a spammer inappropriate. Magic mailbox is what means. Now there is some pop-up or some messages or some there is a chat box or bot right now, so that will show that kind of a stuff or now like unknowingly means they will appear anywhere. So that is the mailbox means magic mailbox means that are alluring you to get there, so you have to take care of it. And if it is appearing like that, you don't want to if it any kind of explicit content or related to pornography or related to any kind of thing which distracts you leading to the trigger which finally leading to urge, just report as inappropriate or a spam. Block that ads and install the ad blocker as well means to avoid any kind of the ads or something. So in ad there is another ad which now showing this kind of a stuff or there is some paid as well, so you just do the things and install ad blocker as well. Block insecure sites means the sites which are not authorized or no, there is very less authority, you just block them. Block purpose or redirect, so how you can do, you just go to the setting and you can block from there. Format the hard drive means like any pornography related stuff if you are storing in your phone, laptop, PC, hard drive, anywhere means like physically, so you just delete. What you have to do, shift follow delete, not delete. So you just permanent delete this, so you will not going to crave means it will like give you the lot effort to search again, so that will like make you lazy. And sometimes it will, if there is a gap, then it's really going to help you. But the material means related to that thing means there is a pen drive or hard drive, something like that. But if you have some hard copy like magazine, book, novel, some apps or games, so simply you just delete, install, or if there is some book where you just throw it or burn it. So that is the thing means anything which is leading to the trigger, you just get away from there means if just uh, kill the like root. Fresh start means this is very going to help you. What you have to do, you just make a new id, email id, and you just log in to all your browser, Google, Facebook, or everywhere. So that will give you like a the whole new startup. So like the initial one you have sign in some porn website or somewhere, so that will lead you to like they use cookies, so that will, if you don't want but still you get that kind of a stuff. So you just fresh start, you have taken the challenge, so you just start with a new email id. That will really going to help out. Insta and Vinsta means any kind of stuff right now happening like Instagram, TikTok. So if you are using with the wisely or in like some appropriate way, then that definitely it going to be help you, and it will give you like big result in a short span of time. But if you are just consuming the things, you are the consumer and not contributing or not getting benefit of it, really like a swamp. So you have to take care of it. Any kind of things which is leading to your trigger, just unfollow them, or like whoever not contributing, not value additions, then just cut off from there, and there is nothing to follow or like something. So take care of about these things. So you know already what is the right and what is the wrong means which kind of like if some picture is there, so you just get to know or you know the things, either it's like spreading the things or it's like genuine. So you have to identify the things and take the action accordingly. Turn off the notifications, so any kind of notification which are leading to the trigger or that is not required, like Facebook, why you like want to get every second the notification over your screen. So just turn off the notification which is unnecessary, even for the mail as well. Black and white means color blinding. It is like it's like a very color psychology means the color is as designed, so you get into the hooked up. So what you have to do, through your laptop, PC, or while you just install some app or something which like reduce the brightness or reduce the color, or even it will make you the black and white screen, so that will not alluring means it make the dull or something, so that will not attractive. So again you are going to use very less for time, so it will really going to help you. So just install anything now which like this type of feature, any app or some software. So install this one like Twilight or some app, and it will really going to help you. No VPN means obviously what you have to do, you have to like no, not install any VPN. So like if you have installed the safe search or some like porn blocker, but if you are using the VPN, then that will unlock that things, and again you are going to allow all the things. So you have to take care of it. Never install any VPN or any kind of things which are like bypassing that thing and like breaking your things. So always get to know, or you know already what is right or wrong. You have taken the challenge, so do the things seriously. So keep deleting your history or browser. So keep deleting that, and so will na the things a third party not going to use your cookies, or na you just get a fresh start, or like recommendation also algorithm based. So that will like keep breaking the things. So you will get new stuff, or na you just not doing a based on the your previous search. So do that things, and if any kind of giving that kind of content, unsubscribe, label to junk directly, unfollow, regular, keep deleting your history or cookies, and don't forget to basic golden rule. Obviously whatever the things we are discussing, it's okay, you have to follow, but you have to keep in mind the basic golden rule means you don't your hand not to be lowered or like nearby your waist area. So this is the very simple, and you have to follow like rigorously. So these are the whole things. So I hope you get some idea. So thank you so much.